Hey, it's Kenneth again with Real Estate Photographer Pro. I thought I'd just show you some things on the website that you may want that are free, especially since you're new to this area. I have some free stock photos and other resources that may help you with some of the marketing things you're doing. But I wanted to show you that updated, I've added on in the shopping cart, I have those things missing here, right here, listing boosters. So we have, change out the TV screens, fire in the fireplace, reels, property websites. So any special orders, I've got that added back in there. I was working on it the other day and just forgot to turn it back on so it shows up in the shopping cart. So we can do grass repair. We can almost do anything. I mean, we can change the colors of the walls. So I always tell people if we have the photo file and we've got it edited, we can do anything. We can remove decorations, change out the furniture. We've done that during Christmas where they want all the Christmas decorations taken down. Our team of editors can take care of all that. But I wanted to show you the free resources. So when you're at realestatephotographerpro.com, you go about halfway down, there's a free app here, and you'll see that in a lot of our emails. There's a free media app for real estate agents that will help you with booking your appointments, managing your media, making changes, leaving notes for us. It's just a great free app that we've built out that will let you do a lot of things with Real Estate Photographer Pro. And then you keep going down right here to these blue icons. We have right there, we have a free newsletter. We have a 360 marketing scorecard. That's a PDF file you can download and just kind of check off and make sure you're hitting all the marks on your marketing things that we all should be doing. So it's just a list of things that every business should be doing that we've customized for real estate agents, down to signs on your cars. Do you have the right email signature? If you do have a branding guide, we have a branding guide checklist. This will help you update your branding guide or put together a branding guide. So that's a free resource. Then we have a free blueprint for success. It's basically 80 pages of content ideas. So if you're looking for content ideas and you're trying to think of content ideas, we've got all of that ready to go for you. We do free headshots events. Pretty much booked up for that for next few months, but that's an event where we come into the office and we do free headshots and usually do a presentation on AI, how to use AI to boost your marketing efforts. This is the free how to prepare your home for listings and getting ready for a real estate photo shoot. These are 3 free thank you note cards that I got these from Tom Hopkins. He was a real estate guru coach in the 80s, and he had a list of thank you note cards, and with their permission, we've made those available. Just gives you some ideas on how many times you can put a thank you postcard in somebody's post box and remind them you're there. And this is what I wanted to point out that would probably be the most beneficial for you is free stock photos. And it's thousands and thousands of free stock photos of this area. So you just put in your email, check the box here, and it's a collection of all the small towns in Middle Tennessee. This is a video of me explaining what these are and how you can use them. So you can use these to create content to market your business. We've got 1,000 photos of homes. So if you're looking for just photos of homes that you can repost, you've got them right there. Got downtown Nashville, Tim's Ford Lake, the coffee shop there in Spring Hill. That's very popular. If you're trying to talk about this time of year, Brentwood, you want some content around Brentwood, you've got Brentwood photos there, more coffee shops. So here's horse farms. If you're trying to do some marketing around horse farms, we've got that content there. So there's literally, I think there's there's 84 catalogs here of free photos you can use for marketing your business. So that's our free resources right there on Real Estate Photographer Pro, those blue icons. And I think that was it. I wanted to point out the shopping cart. Oh, if you're wondering about our other services that are not available in the shopping cart, you can go to our service tabs We have examples of these marketing videos. We can do different things that are more creative that just can't be ordered, like this. I'll show you this real quick because we're doing one of these for a farm in Spring Hill. We're doing like a mini movie. Let's go with this example right here. We've got 100 acres in Spring Hill. We put together a marketing video. This is not the video, but we're doing a video similar to this. This is our motion video graphics where it's pop-up graphics, Google Earth animation mixed with real videos to help you tell that story of that property. And it's like a marketing presentation in a 1 minute or 2 minute video. So this was a commercial property in downtown Nashville. But then in this same page, you can see individual examples of the things we can do in a video, call outs, drive times, graphics, pop-up animations, animated property lines. Here's an animated, several properties are being sold at one time, property animations with some content and facts. So that's our motion videos. But we can do online headshots where if you need a new headshot, you don't have to come into the office. We can do it online, or you can send us a headshot, send us, the group of several photos you have, and we can take those photos and turn them into headshots. Here's an example of some of those headshots that we've done recently. And if you need help, let us know. realestatephotographerpro.com. Thank you.